Hello friends, Luna is here, and today I'm coming to our another workshop and to introduce our a new friend is a robot, is an automatic machine. The signal is terrible, but you can see here it is working. I guess it is milling, milling technology. Let me come closer to this machine. So now the robot is finding the suitable place to go in the milling technology. I don't know how to express the process, but it's very intelligent. It can save our labor cost. Actually, it have manning. It can do many works like cubing, catching something, and cutting. Just milling. Just change the head. The robot machinery head. There, it's not convenient. In the further future, we believe this intelligent robot machinery will involve our factory manufacturing process and save many labor cost, improve working efficiency very much. We believe this robot because it is very intelligent. The milling technology will more accurate. Okay, it keeps still. Oh. I noticed there have a sensor on the head of this robot. It did many works before make the milling technology. Okay. Thanks for your watching. Bye.